After Xiaxia's father died of a heart attack, a group of men paid her a visit. But they weren't there to offer condolences. They were there to traffic her. Mrs. Zhang is a Christian neighbor who heard about the traffickers' plans.
They lied to Xiaxia and told her that they would provide her and her mother with a new home. But they were planning to sell them both for money.
Traffickers thrive in this region because it's so remote and impoverished. Xiaxia herself would have been worth just a few $100s.
They planned to sell her as a child bride. She would face a life of beatings and intimidation to keep her from escaping.
It always felt like there were bad guys watching me and following me. I desperately wanted someone to save me.
Mrs. Zhang wanted the same, so she took Xiaxia's mother to an elderly home and then moved Xiaxia miles away to a safe house run by CBN and Orphans Promise.
When she first came here, she was pale and skinny, so we met her physical needs and we told her about the love of the Lord and taught her to read the Bible. Since then, she's received the Lord as her Savior, and now her life is much better.
I'm not afraid anymore. I know the Lord will be with me and always protect me. I have my own bed and I sleep well every night. It's like I have a real family. I'm really grateful the Lord gave me home like this.
I thank CBN and Orphans Promise, because without your help, there would be no safe home for Xiaxia or any of these children. You have given them a place where there is love and support, and children's hearts are being healed. You are truly servants of the Lord.